All businesses will experience some form of downtime in the course of a year. Sometimes it's planned, sometimes it's unplanned. Either way, it's costly. There's loss of revenue and productivity, and there's loss of credibility and reputation. The best way to avoid downtime is to have a secondary server on standby, ready to go the second there's a disruption on the source. This type of protection is called high availability. It keeps critical systems like email and point of sale online all the time. While traditional backup lets you recover data through a disaster recovery procedure, high availability uses a process called failover to automatically reroute traffic to the secondary one as soon as there's an interruption. High availability enables recovery time objective, or RTO, measured in minutes, while recovery point objective, or RPO, is measured in seconds. Carbonite Availability offers high availability for any Windows or Linux server. It uses patented byte-level replication to mirror the source in real time. It also uses very little bandwidth, since it only captures and sends changes at the byte level. Carbonite Availability works for physical, virtual, and cloud servers. To use it, you start by deploying it on the servers you want to protect. Using the management console, you configure the software on the target server where the source will be mirrored. Once replication begins, all data is sent to the target using AES 256-bit encryption and reduced using 3 tiers of bandwidth-saving compression. Once the target is synchronized with the source, any changes are updated in real time. In the event of an outage, administrators can manually or automatically failover users to the secondary server in minutes or seconds. Carbonite Availability helps businesses keep mission-critical systems online and avoid the cost and consequences of downtime. With Carbonite Availability, businesses enjoy incredibly fast failover that minimizes downtime, full support for physical, virtual, and cloud-based systems, and award-winning global customer service from certified experts. For more information, visit carbonite.com.